Now we'll study how to make pairs. Do you know what is a pair? Yes, any two objects that are similar to each other, you call it as a pair. Let's look at some examples so that you'll understand better. Okay. So how many objects do you need to make a pair? Only two objects. Those two objects must be similar to each other. Okay. Yes. 1, 2. So we can form a pair. Here again 1, 2. The next one, you need two objects that are similar to each other to form a pair, right? Yes, 1, 2. We formed a pair. Easy, isn't it? Now this one. Do we have one more object? Because we need two objects to make a pair, right? We don't have one more object here. So let's leave that. Okay, the next one. Let's form the pair. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Here we have only one object. We don't have one more object. So let's leave that. We cannot form a pair with one object. Okay, we'll go on to the next one. Here, 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. We formed the pair. The last one. 1, 2. We need two objects and both are similar to each other, yes? Okay, so that we can form a pair. Very good. I'll be showing you few more objects in the table so we can pair them up. Okay. You know what is a pair, which means two things that are similar to each other, you call it as a pair. Now come on, let's pair these stones. You need to have two things, right, to make a pair. So 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Now we have 3 pairs. For this, we don't have a pair. Okay, I'll show you a few other objects and let's pair them up. Okay. Now I have 4 umbrellas. Let's pair them. 1, 2. We need two objects for a pair. So 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. We have 2 pairs. Okay. The next one. Let's pair these. So 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. 1, 2. We have 3 pairs. All right. Next one. Let's pair these chalk pieces. 1, 2. 1 pair. Next, 1, 2. We don't have a pair for this. So we have 2 pairs. All right. The last one. We have only 2 things here, so which means 1 pair. Those 2 look similar to each other, so this is a pair. I hope you understood how to make pairs. In the next class, I will be teaching you how to do forward counting and backward counting. If you enjoy my classes, share it with your friends Also subscribe to Little Cons. Happy learning, kids. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.